Hello students, today we'll be doing our last topic of this chapter, that is health for adolescents. Now in this topic, what does it considers? That how at adolescent age there is the change in the health or habits of an individual. So during the adolescent age, an adolescent pass through so many changes. As we have discussed earlier, there is some physical as well as mental changes in an individual, okay? Whether it is a boy or a girl. So every parent should take care of their children during this period. Now in this period, there are following changes that is done to get a proper physical health. First change, that is that you have to take a balanced diet having right amount of proteins, carbohydrates, fats and vitamins. Fast food should be totally avoided because it is tasty but it does not have adequate nutrition. So personal hygiene is also important during adolescence. Due to increased activity of sweat and oil glands, the bacteria जो है वो बहुत जल्दी मल्टीप्लाई करते हैं, ठीक है? So you should take bath every day, clean your every part of your body. Girls should have careful about the hygiene, especially during the time of menstruation. Physical exercise like walking, jogging, aerobics, they are useful for the healthy growing of adolescent body. Now next is drug abuse and AIDS. Now what is the effect of drugs on at the adolescent age? Since adolescence is also a stage of insecurity and confusion, so it is easy for the adolescent mind to be led astray by wrong company, advice and fall prey to drug abuse. ठीक है, जो adolescent age होती है वो this age a child is very insecure, confused है, ठीक है. It is easy for the adolescent mind to be led astray by wrong company or advice, ठीक है. It can take the drugs also. So drug abuse, it is a common problem during the adolescent all over the world. So drugs are the chemical substances. What are the drugs? These are the chemical substances that produce physical, mental, behavioral and emotional changes in the user. That means the person who is taking the drugs, there will be some physical change in its mental, behavior change, emotional change in a child. So drug abuse harms the body seriously. Once a person start taking drugs, she develops physical or physiological depend on them, ठीक है. He or she that becomes totally depend on that drug. So this dependence commonly is known as addiction, which makes it difficulty for people to stop taking drugs. Now alcohol, nicotine, cocaine, these are all the examples of the drugs. People who use drugs are also at risk of being infected with HIV. So the deadly virus that cause AIDS, ठीक है. HIV, that is full form is immuno-immune virus, and it mainly causes a disease that is AIDS. This virus, they spread by sharing the syringes used for injecting some drugs. It also spread through sexual contact of an infected person. So we should not be in this addiction, that is of the drug abuse. We should discuss, if you at adolescent age, if you have any problem, you are suffering from any of the problem, you should discuss with your teacher or with your parents or whomever you are very close to. Okay, thank you students.